Hey, that look good with what you got on. Okay, good.
I can show you how.
Which one you want?
I got that red one.
Come on now. Come on.
None of these match the outfit I got.
You might get something. You like it though. You didn't like it? You don't like it?
It's my favorite.
This is your thing, green. It's my cover up right here.
Give me your phone.
Yes.
Make sure everybody got a cover up. But y'all don't really need it in the mall. Not while we're walking around the mall.
So then put it one page on.
Skin looking good. I'm proud. I feel like a proud. I have foursome tonight. God damn, I'm having foursome tonight. Y'all turning me on. Turning me on, girl. Body for days. I need to go get me an outfit now.
Yeah.
But I want y'all to go to edges.
And then the other one down.
Yeah, let that just jangle. Let that little dangle. Yeah, little heart. Put that best on. Ooh.
Sparkling.
This is good looking, y'all. Skin looking good.
That's yours? Uh-huh.
Now she's gonna wear the bag right now, right?
Oh yeah, wear the bag now.
You could put this bag inside another bag.
Yeah.
No, you need a bigger bag.
Okay.
Yeah, because this one's full.
Or I put that.
For all old stuff in bags.
Stay full.
You wearing that out, right?
All of our.
Can we get a bag for this bag?
Can I get a bigger bag? Yeah.
Y'all say I'm thankful to be gone.
I'm thankful, Bigo.
I'm thankful, Bigo. I'm thankful.
I'm thankful.
Let me see.
I'm thankful to be gone.
I'm thankful, Bigo.
Bigo be sponsoring all this.
Yeah, they be
You know what I'm
hooking
saying?
us up.
Hey, this
Make that
battery
into
ain't
a
working.
skirt, like
I got another battery.
Y'all want another battery pack?
Another battery.
Y'all bought one
Battery.
pack? Why y'all bought one? You should have bought two.
This shit
Cause
dead.
then
Y'all fucking up the money.
We can go get it.
you should have bought two though.
Yeah, man.
The other one, where's that big black one that you have?
Y'all gonna have to go get it. Y'all gonna have to go get it. That's retarded to bring one battery.
Grab it.
Fucking, okay, always fucking shit. I mean, I ain't gonna say nothing, man. They gotta hurry up too, cause the phone dying. The phone is dying. Both phones is dying.
And then we could put these
Y'all
bags.
two go.
We could put these bags in the, so we won't have to carry.
Take all the bags.
Keys.
Where my wallet at? Malia, pay for it. Come on, how you gonna put the wallet in the bag? You too. You go. Take the bags. Wait till she wasn't there. Hurry up though. They didn't even take the battery. What they did? What's the total? Okay, that ain't bad. For all y'all got. Now y'all need to go get some shoes and another outfit. What's the store that got good shoes?
Aldo. You have an Aldo here? Aldo.
What else?
Girls,
Good one.
princess. Yeah. Oh, Tiara, come here. We need shoes.
Where they get the shoes at?
What shoes would you?
Aldo in here?
There's no type of like cute sandal shoes in the mall, but there's a plaza around that has Shoeland and DSW Shoe House, like right around.
Okay.
Shoeland?
Yes.
Outside the thing.
Yeah, right outside. Like
It's called Shoeland?
Yeah, like so it's like once you go out the mall, if you decided to go out like in the front, it's like
Just put it on the maps. It's called Shoeland or what?
yeah, just Shoeland and DSW Shoe House.
Aldo would have been perfect. They got some really nice shoes.
Why you keep saying? You just need something like.
That's true. But similar shoes. What's the gold ones up there?
Oh, these are body cams.
He like, come on, get my card back. You spent all this shit, my damn money, get my shit back.
Come on. Now y'all feeling like me. You got everything, baby? Where your bag at? Where your bag at?
Oh, I put everything in one bag. They got the other bags with them.
Where your bag at that you're supposed to be holding?
Oh, it's in here.
Ain't you supposed to be wearing it?
She put this shit deep in there.
Where your phone at? You want to put your phone in the bag?
No, thank you.
Okay, you're good?
Okay.
It's a really small bag.
Be a whole lot of goofy shit, man. Whole lot of goofy shit. You see what I'm saying? This be fucking wasting our time and shit. Niggas know I need a battery. They gonna go back and get one battery and it's dead. And I ain't got no battery on this shit. What is this? You want to see if they got pads? Yeah, this one's dying. Ask me if they got pads, babe.
Oh, see, I knew there was a store with more bags. Oh, do you have pads in here? Like padding for the breasts?
Just a pet. Like silicone.
You make it plump? No, it just...
No.
Where can you get one? At the beauty supply store?
It's just you can just
No, it's just a cover it up. It's not for the pump it up. So it's just a cover it up.
Where is the where's that one at? At beauty supply? The one at-
yeah, might be. Yeah, but yeah, we just have it.
It'll probably be a beauty supply. Yeah.
You see anything you like in here?
There's some nice stuff in here. You wanna wait for them so they can know what we at?
This nice stuff too. They got more of a selection. Look at that. I want you to put that on. I want to see you with that on. That. He said, hold that for me real quick. They give it to me. I'm gonna make them go right back to the van. I mean to the car. I'm gonna go to the car. I'm gonna let y'all shop. I'm gonna go sit down. Come on. Come on.
This is not my thing. I don't like this. I like it, but then I'm like uncomfortable a little bit. Like trying to pull it up. Shit.
That's good.
Oh, really? This is different.
So y'all brought one battery?
Did you get this one?
Yeah.
I'm going to the car to put the bag in the car. Y'all go to Edges and pick another outfit out. Have it ready by the time I get back.
Let me take you.
If anybody asks you anything and niggas try to holler at you, say I'm married. They got your bag? Where your bag at? Where your bag at?
Oh, it's probably in here because here.
I'll be right back. Where the keys at to the car? Hey, y'all take this with y'all, your phone. Try not to be too much looking at y'all like.
Thanks. All right. I know.
Scream.
I don't like this. I know. That's how I felt with the other one. Let's just go inside the store. Just stay in there. Y'all, this is like a culture shock or something. These outfits is. Oh, look. I know I've seen it when I first came. We came in here, and I was like, oh, wow. This is just like the other store. I like this bodysuit. Wait a minute. Let's see. They got the hot girl summer music. Ooh, I like that fire. Y'all like this fire? I kind of like that. I want something like this, like a one piece. Y'all said no to the fire? I think I would look good in that joint.
You like them?
Nah. I like the belt. I like this. The moon and the sun. I like this one.
I think I see some back there.
I like this one. I just like the sun and the moon.